Today we are going to discuss Fischer-Indol synthesis. Now Fischer-Indol synthesis is method of preparation of indole starting from phenylhydrazone derivatives of aldehydes or ketones or keto acids. Now when phenylhydrazones of aldehydes or ketones or keto acids are heated with acidic catalyst like concentrated H2SO4, H3PO4, ZnCl2, BF3, etc., then ultimately those get converted into indoles. Consider this case, this is phenylhydrazine. When phenylhydrazine is treated with acetone, which is one of the members of ketone, then by departure of water, phenylhydrazone of acetone is obtained, which in turn, when heated in acidic medium, then 2-methyl indole is a prime product obtained. Now the mechanism, which is very important thing and crucial thing of this reaction. Now mechanism of this reaction involve series of steps which can be explained as, so first of all, the phenylhydrazone of acetone can be given as, this is the phenylhydrazone of acetone, CS3 can be written as. Now in very first step what happens, in acidic medium protonation takes place in this manner, and which lead to the formation of an intermediate that can be given as, this is the intermediate so obtained in very first step. Now exactly what happens, thereby departure of proton takes place. I mean, what happens exactly, this pair gets shifted to the nitrogen, and hereby departure of hydrogen in the form of proton takes place, which lead to the formation of an intermediate that can be given as. So this is the next intermediate so obtained. Now this intermediate will also get protonated. So on further protonation, the next intermediate so obtained, which can be given in this manner. So this is the intermediate so obtained on protonation. Now we can keep hydrogen right here like this. Now exactly what happens, right here this electron pair gets shifted in this manner, and now due to which the electron pair, I mean this carbon becomes electron deficient, and that permits the attack of what, this carbon on this side like this, and due to which the further thing which can be given, this electron pair gets shifted like this and lead to the formation of a species which can be given in this manner. So ultimately this carbon get connected to the ring like this, and thereby the formation of double bond right here. Now very important thing is the departure of proton and subsequently attack of proton at this side. So what happens, departure of hydrogen in the form of proton, so this electron pair may remain like this, and attack of proton on this nitrogen takes place, and which lead to the formation of an intermediate that can be given in this manner. So this is the CH2C CH3 double bond NH2. Now most importantly what happens, Now from at this very site, this electron pair goes to the nitrogen, and by the help of the lone pair, this nitrogen attacks at this carbon, which lead to the formation of an intermediate, which can be, this CH2 can be given as CHH, C, NH2, this nitrogen now bear positive single bond. Now this has CS3 and NH2 as well. Now from this very point, exactly what happens? Now this nitrogen lose one proton, I mean there is a departure of hydrogen in the form of proton, and this hydrogen in the form of proton also get released, and due to which this electron pair set right here, and hydrogen with NH2 in the form of ammonia it get released, and this lead to the formation of a product what we call the 2-methyl indole. So this is the mechanism of Fischer indole synthesis. Thank you very much.